this relaxing short ASMR skincare routine. Hi guys, welcome back to Supermom TV. Today I'm going to do a beauty video. I'm going to do an updated of my skincare regime. I have done one skincare regime about a year ago and I was thinking to do an updated one because my whole skincare range has changed. So I hope that you like my recommendation. So I'm recommending something very natural today and I hope that you will keep on watching till the end because I will be doing a giveaway. So recently I've been using this scrub and it's pretty different from the normal scrub that we usually use. Okay, this scrub is a pandan leaf scrub. So inside is not the normal kind of microbead scrubs that you usually see in the market. So this one contains real dried pandan leaves and you see it's like quite dry, right? But when you take it out and you rub it, it has a lot of oil. So this one they claim to have a whitening effect and the smell is really invigorating and it is really very nice. It doesn't have the pandan smell. The smell is very floral and because it contains pandan essential oil. So the ingredients are pandan leaves, pandan essential oil, whitening blend of essential oil. So this one actually gives you a whitening effect. So I will let you see how I scrub. So you just need to take out a bunch and put it on your hand and you just need to scrub it on. So this is really natural and this brand is by Restoration Essence. So it's very gentle. You feel that it is exfoliating but it's really gentle. It's not, you don't feel that it's very harsh for your skin. You just throw it on. It contains a lot of essential oil goodness. It's very soothing feeling. It's really very therapeutic because of the smell. I really love the smell. So you just need to rub it on. Yeah, I have a lot here. So along the way you have some bits dropping. So those are the dried pandan leaves. So you just keep on like massaging. So I heard that pandan leaves essential oil have whitening effect. It feels more like having an oil massage on your face. Okay, so now I'm going to wash my face. I'll come back and let you have a look. Okay, so I've washed my face with water and I feel that my skin is more radiant and it's not drying at all. I guess the essential oil in the scrub actually helps to moisturize and retain the moisture. Unlike those that you use, those scrub that is more harsh or those using microbead ones, you can feel that after washing, right, you feel very like squeaky clean. It is not good for your skin because you will strip your natural oil away and your natural moisture. We are supposed to use skincare products as gentle as possible. So it is also good to scrub your neck. Very important to also take care of the neck because recent years, right, I think due to aging, I start to see fine lines forming over here. I tend to neglect my neck area because when I apply my skincare, I will often just apply on the face. So I will also rub here with the pandan leaf scrub. So the same thing, I have used water to rinse it off. And now I'm ready for my skincare. I'm very prone to dark eye circle because whenever I feel very tired or not enough of sleep, fatigueness, and it will appear on my under eye. So eye bags I don't really get that often, but I do realize a lot of fine lines. My face right now is bare. I never apply anything at all. My under eye has been like improved quite a lot after using this Lost Baggage, also by Restoration Essence. I have been using this and the whole Restoration Essence product for 2 weeks now. The result is quite visible. If you see my previous video, I think because I lost weight and I think my skin was like lackluster, I just feel that my skin wasn't radiant. Previously, my skin was very chubby, right? So you feel that my skin is like very plump up. But after slimming down, you feel haggard because this part here kind of like lost the meat, lost the bounciness. I can't really face the camera without any makeup. I feel that I'm more confident on camera without my makeup now. Talking about this lost baggage eye serum, it's really very light, so all eye area can apply this. So they have hyaluronic acid, which is a very good skincare ingredient, because hyaluronic acid can help to hold and retain the moisture, and because it is very light, your under eye can breathe. I'm very prone to oil seeds around my under eye, so I've been using this 2 weeks and I don't have any oil seeds appearing. Usually quite fast. My oil seeds, I can't take too oily kind of product. Yeah, so after washing my face, I will just like do this, and the smell is also very therapeutic. It's all very natural, plant, essential oil kind of smell. It's very floral, and it's every time after doing this, I feel so rejuvenated because the smell is like making me want to just relax, you know. It's like relaxing, yeah, relaxing smell. So one thing, the next thing that I love to use this skincare range is I don't need to use any moisturizer. My friend introduced me Hydro Boost. This is a serum, and this alone also have hyaluronic acid and aloe vera extract. So the aloe vera extract and the hyaluronic acid is very good moisturizing agent. So this alone is very good. Cleanse is the first step. Second is tone. Third is the eye serum. Fourth is the face essence. Then fifth is the moisturizer. Then sixth is the sunblock. So it's 6 steps. Instead of 6 steps right now, I'm reducing to 4 steps. And after trying for 2 weeks, my skin is not dry. It's not drying at all. Because usually after I wake up, right, because I sleep in the aircon room and my skin is really very dehydrated. So another product that I have been using is the neck care. So this is a moisturizer for the neck. It smells like coconut because it has jojoba wax and the avocado oil, vitamin E, yeah, and then it has a peppermint essential oil, eucalyptus oil, a lot of oil, grapeseed oil also. I have been like religiously using this product for my neck area because I think seeing my neck, people can guess how old am I. Starts to have fine lines. I should have like found this product long ago, because I look back my old photos, I don't think that it's so visible. These 2 lines is quite visible. I'm not sure if you can see it. I like the smell of coconuts. And all their products is fragrance free. It's yeah, it's very natural. And now to the last step is the sunblock. Every morning I will use this sunblock, and this is also by them. So the whole range is actually by the Restoration Essence, because I have been trying this whole range for the past 2 weeks, so I wish to give a review and also to update my current skincare regime. This is SPF 35 and this is very light. I love it. And SPF 35 with broad spectrum is enough for the whole day. It's natural and it's organic. This is the first time I see a sunblock without a long list of ingredients. Can you see that the ingredients are only red rose extract, cucumber extract, soya extract, lemon extract, beeswax. All these ingredients are organic and they are the beauty award winner. So this is a very lightweight. I don't like to use sunblock because it gives a whitish residue, right? And also it's there's a smell to it. When I first try, right, I don't believe that this is sunblock. It feels like moisturizer. So it's very easy to spread also. And you can see that it gives you a little bit of sheer and it's not sticky at all. It absorbs pretty well. So overall, I love their product and it's so natural, so natural. So this is the very first time that I try a skincare range which is 90% of their ingredients are actually natural. So I'm pretty impressed with the product. My skin is pretty sensitive because if I use something which is not suitable for my skin will either break out or I will have red patches. What I like about this is alcohol free and it's fragrance free as well. I'll be giving away this tub of pandan leaf scrub on my Instagram, so do check out my Instagram account, supermomtv. Make sure that you participate. So I hope that you like my little updated skincare regime. And if you like this kind of beauty video, to let me know in the comment section below. I will try to do more beauty videos like this one. So if you have any questions for me, please don't hesitate to leave them down in the comment section below. So that's all for today, and I will see you on my next video.